Oh, so tonight 𝙁𝙤𝙧 decided to take me to a surprise place. I have no idea where she's taking me, so I'm just going to go blank. Hopefully it's going to be a surprise Valentine's Day night. So guys, let's get to the destination. Guess where 𝙁𝙤𝙧 brought me? 𝙁𝙤𝙧 brought me to Easton, so we're here for a special day. I have no idea what's happening. So it's Valentine's night.
I just thought of some
we're in
place.
Easton, Stapleton Road. How amazing is that on Valentine's night? Yeah, just one for now.
One for now.
Yeah.
Not for now, that's it.
Guys, we're in Easton. We just ordered pani puri. Oh my god, we're having pani puri in Bristol. Can you believe that? I can't wait. So what did you order?
2 pink chai.
Yeah.
And pani puri.
Pani puri. Spicy. So guys, the good thing about this place is they also have a sugar-free chai because I'm on diet. I went for the sugar-free chai. Oh my god, I need to show you guys how this amazing sugar-free chai look like. Let me actually go and taste it. It's a little bit bitter, but so far so good, no complaint. I'm still glad they have something for people on diet. So chai. That was an amazing day in Chaiwala, guys. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed the time. You know, I'm on diet, so I couldn't eat a lot of food, but I'll definitely come here and try so many stuff.
Thanks for such a nice compliment.
Thank you. I'll definitely be back. Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Alright, so guys, make sure you like the video and subscribe.